Thank you for coming to this read aloud today. Welcome to all the children in Miss Cheyenne's class and Miss Jenna's class. We're so happy to see you today. This book is called Did I Tell You I Love You Today? And it's written by a very special mom and a very special auntie named Dolores Jordan and Rosalind Jordan. The person who wrote the book is called Shanae W. Evans. Did I tell you I love you today? And you can see that this book is probably about a child. And the note from the author says, love is very important. It's important because love makes us understand who we are and how we relate to other people. It's very important to say I love you to children because it's so important to make children feel loved. And this mom said, whenever I tucked my child into bed, I always said, I love you, not by my words, but by my actions. When I drove them to school and met with their teachers and even disciplined them, I was saying, I love you. Every day I would tell them I love you in so many ways. And this book is to help children understand and see the many ways that parents show they are loved, time after time. As the sun slowly rises and the moon fades away, while you're still sleeping, I sit quietly and I pray. We remembering our time together and the things you like to do. I'm thinking of the ways I can help bring out the very best in you. Searching for the ways to encourage you in all I do and say. I pray for ways to tell you the best. I love you today. When I'm done and you awake, I make sure I am there to clean you up and get you dressed, to brush and comb your hair. Helping you look and feel your very best is one of the important ways I take the time to tell you, child, I love you today. Next, we play our favorite game of clean the room and make the bed. And then I fix your breakfast and make sure that you are fed. Keeping you healthy, well, and strong is another way I take the time to tell you, child, I love you today. Now it's off to school for you, where learning is made fun with teachers and friends you spend the day with until my work is done. Making sure that you learn and grow is another way I take the time to tell you, child, I love you today. After school and work are done and we're on our way home, we stop sometimes at our favorite place to spend some special time alone. Taking time for only you is yet another way I take the time to tell you, child, I love you today. Bursting with excitement, you have so much to say as you take me step by step through all you learned today. Taking time to listen to you is yet another way. I take the time to tell you, child, I love you today. When dinner is through and you're ready for bed, we always find our own cozy nook. I draw you close and hold you tight and read your favorite book. Making you feel protected and safe is the most important way. I take the time to tell you, child, I love you today. Late in the night, when the moon is shining against the dark so deep, when the world has grown silent and still, and you are fast asleep, when the stars are twinkling in the sky, each one burning so bright, and your sweet face is all aglow beneath the heaven's light. Quickly I sit and pray that all that I've said and all that I've done, in all that I've done, was moved to say, I've done my best in telling you, child, I love you every day. Think about how your moms and your dads and your grandmas and your grandpas and your aunties and your sisters and your brothers tell you how they love you today. Thank you for listening.